I have wanted to experience the Caledonian sleeper for so long, and that may sound like an odd thing to have on your wish list, but we only have two sleeper trains in the whole of the UK. When I got to the station, I headed straight for the lounge, and I've walked past this lounge so many times before, but I've never actually gone in. Agus féimi mira, I was very excited. This is right in the middle of the train station, above the arrival and departure boards, which is a great spot for people watching. They also have some lovely perks on offer with Brochan agus fuaran, hot and cold drinks, and some iron brew, of course. Since my train was leaving in the evening, I grabbed a couple of drinks to keep me going. I wasn't sure what would be available on board, so it felt like a good move. I booked the route from Aberdeen to London Euston, and honestly, it's such a fantastic service for Aberdeen. The train has just started moving, which is so weird because I've never been on a sleeper train. I have a twin room. I have bunk beds. I'm going to be living out my childhood dream. So there was a Mackey's chocolate bar sitting on the pillow, and there is also a Journey of a Nighttime sleep kit. I need to hold on. Earplugs, eye mask, and soap. Little luxuries, but I appreciate that. Get to make a breakfast selection as well, which I'm really excited about. There's not much to see at the moment. It is about 8:30 at night, so we are just leaving. We're going to London Euston from Aberdeen, which is so exciting. Oh, as it turns out, there's a full dining area on board, so of course I had to check it out. Even though it was only for a day or two, I couldn't resist ordering some chicken and haggis. Betarcho, I had to. It just felt right, you know? After dinner, it was back to the room to get ready for bed. Now, I'm one of those people that can fall asleep anywhere, so I was really curious about how this whole sleeper train would work for me, and I won't lie, it wasn't lights out straight away. That said, I did enjoy my sleep. You're definitely aware that you're on a train, but it's kind of all part of the fun. In the morning, I started my day with a lorne sausage roll, so tell me, Avelu red sauce or brown sauce? It's an important question. Then it was time to pop on some makeup and get ready for arrival. Of course, I checked out the lounge on the other side too, which has showers and toilets and coffee. Apple Life, so you can freshen up before heading off on your way. All in all, it was an amazing experience, and I can't wait to do it again, maybe with Brochan by my side.